Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I wish you all the best for a miracle good morning. If you do something, having some glass of water, prayer or exercise in the morning, just awaking from your dream sleep, these activities can come to you as a miracle good morning. So please give up the habit of stressful or frustrated, and this can come to you as the miracle good morning. Dear viewers, please watch this channel, the Smart Consortium, which is the digitalized platform of a group of enthusiastic, energetic, self-motivated, honest HR professionals who are engaged in 100% export-oriented of RMG industry in Bangladesh or want to be engaged. These people are professional in this line, which is the human resources management, compliance and plant or operation. Please watch this channel where you will find some value-adding videos and contents that will help to develop your career in this industry and take the right decision. Who have already been engaged, also those RMG management want to take any kind of consultancy or advice in this line, please continue subscribing. For the next video, you can visit the website as well, which is www.smartconsortiumconsultancy.com. Thank you, Sarfaraj, the CEO, lead trainer, consultant and founder of this consortium. Allah Hafiz.